vibes am I getting? Like, bad bitch vibe. What's good, YouTube? Y'all not ready for this?
Little mama, don't you know? Your ex should've never let you go. Oh, oh, you my flavor. She get drinking straight with no chaser.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl, and I'm back today with a video. And I know y'all are really gonna like this video because I'm really gonna enjoy this video because I ain't never did nothing like this. I know it's fat right now, but we just gonna get started on this makeup look. You feel me? So, as everybody knows, there's this Euphoria craze going around because the show is just fucking fire, bro. Dead ass fire. I look like a motherfucking alien right now, but that's motherfucking okay. Okay, bitch? So, we gonna channel our inner Maddy today with this bomb ass look that I'm gonna do, but I'm just gonna do it in my own way. So, we just gonna see how it is because you know, like, motherfucking Euphoria is lit, bitch. Okay, Maddy and motherfucking icons. They have played the fuck out of real. Cat, top 10, bitches fire. All of their makeup looks on the show was just crazy, like crazy good. And there was this one look that really just caught my attention, and I haven't really seen anybody do this on YouTube at least. So we're gonna test this look out today. And this shit might just take some motherfucking time, bitch, okay? I'm just gonna sit like this and try to do it so that you guys can see exactly what it is that I'm doing. You know? So okay, so boom. Right now, all I'm doing is like carving out my eye, like not on the crease, but a little bit over it, like just a little bit, like, because I got a lot of eye space, so I don't want to overdo it. And I'm just bringing out the product, like I put it over my eyelid and I just worked with what I had and I just dipped in a little by little because you don't want to use too much. Like, you want to use what's on your eye already to bring out the wing, and you don't want to be messy about it, you know what I'm saying? And now I'm like patting it down just so that it could be like an even base. I'm also just gonna drag it out because I want the same full effect of the It's gonna be the one on top of my eye. When you come around, I don't know what to do, still lose self-control. So right now I'm just using like a flat brush and I'm just like working the shadow up in there, you know, and I'm gonna go in with another kind of angled flat brush and I'm just packing it on like very neatly, like little by little, just so I don't do too much and OD on it, but I need enough of it, okay? And then here's me just being me. And now I'm just going in with like a soft little pink, you know, and I'm doing the same thing I was doing before. I'm just packing on the product and like kind of blending it out as I go along, just so that it could be easier, so I don't have to blend it out at the end, you know what I'm saying? And I'm just gonna keep repeating the process, like just keep packing and blending and packing and blending, you know what I'm saying? So I couldn't be any clever, and I can't believe I let you waste my time, yeah, and every word you said. So with the darker pink, as you can see, I'm kind of just like dragging it out like to my eyelid and a little bit like over where the crease is, if that makes sense. And then I'm just gonna go in with this white with a really little brush and just detail that. But as I'm doing that, I'm also gonna go under my eye along with where I put the concealer along that line, you feel me? And I'm just gonna use all the brushes that have all the colors on it, and I'm just gonna blend it. Like, the key to this look is just blending. So now the rhinestones that I had got, they were from like AC Moore,
and they came in like strips, so I was just cutting the rhinestones off, and they were already sticky, so I didn't have to add no glue or nothing. So what I was doing was just taking the strips and cutting it into like threes or fours or twos to make it a little bit easier for me.
I kind of like it like this. Like if I'm like,
And with like the inner corners, I was just doing it by ones because it's curving. So on the parts that are curving, you don't want to use like twos or threes in strips because it's just not gonna look right.
wow, this shit is like, wow, wow. All right, so I'm gonna finish the other eye and then I'm gonna get back to you. Okay, so now that that's done, I put on my lashes. You know, I gotta fix this one little jewel here because I'm just gonna contour just a little bit. I'm gonna actually mix some colors because my contour is actually now my skin color.
So now obviously all I'm doing is just contouring my face, you know, getting my cheekbones. I got my jawline. I didn't really touch my forehead because like it was hella unnecessary. I don't wear foundation anymore because my skin just doesn't take it very well. So I'm just gonna contour my nose as well. But I don't wear foundation, and I have freckles too, so it kind of just takes away from that. And I just don't need it, y'all. So I just be doing the makeup, no makeup shit. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? And I just used the last of whatever was on my beauty blender to clean up my nose contour.
This yeah, this unicorn, I don't know how it is. And it's very like bright, so I love it. Rub it. I'm just gonna take some of this wet and wild from, I don't know what highlighter this is, but I'm just gonna take the light
And I used like pink highlighter, you know, like the little bit of like white highlighter because my look is just light, and the rhinestones and everything like that. I feel like the highlighter that I use will just make it pop. So I didn't use my Ragdag brown highlighter, my golden highlighter. But this shit actually popped. That unicorn highlighter, I recommend that. It's by Revolution. Bye.
So now I'm just gonna complete 2.5, y'all. So this is the finished product, everybody. I'm like absolutely, oh my god, what is this? Like in love, y'all. Like this shit is just crazy good. Like oh my god, I couldn't believe it. Y'all. Okay, I got a little look. I got little earrings to match, y'all. You know, this look is just giving me like, what vibes am I getting? Like bad bitch vibe. If y'all are feeling this look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment and all that shit. You feel me? Bad bitch. Nasty. Ugh. Lashes. Fire. Oh my god, my friend's lashes go hard.